Hey friends, I am Guruji. Welcome to you all on Trading Emotions channel. See, yesterday there was a news about corona spreading across China, and many reports are coming out. But uh, no need to panic. Why? Because we have a good uh, vaccination things, and we have a good policies in India. So no need to panic. But see, chart itself, this is a market profile chart. You all are know market profile chart, a December contract, Nifty future, Nifty 50 future, December contract. The chart itself showing the emotion. See, we have to find where the emotion are uh, sitting. That is our channel's motto, and the market profile provide a clear view. This gap, number one, number two, number three. So as per my chart, as per why? Because this market profile chart, many people use based on the this is called a tick. Okay, TPO. TP also there is a tick ratio. So tick base this chart view will be changed. So I am using 10 point tick. Okay, 10 points tick I am using for Nifty 50, for Bank Nifty 35 points. Why? Because this itself I am getting good confidence and good information from the market. So that's why I am using 35 and 10. Okay. We are going to start a market profile course on January 1st week. So interested people can join our Telegram channel. The link will be provided in the description box. You join there, and another update will be posted in the Telegram channel only. Okay. And what could be the thought process today? Today, see again what we discussed yesterday, we clearly told that this high is important, this low is important. See, exactly rejection came from this high and market came down, and this low is protected. So this is how market profile provide us a more information. This is not my personal thought, my personal view, not like that. Whatever market profile providing the information, the same I am sharing to you all. So believe this level. Believe this level. Why? Because this is not a price action. This is a value based trading strategy where the value is sitting. Why this rejection was happen? Why this rejection was happen? Why this rejection was happen? So the value, in between the value is more important for traders. Even though there is a huge emotion, Bank Nifty also falling in a drastic way, but Nifty 50 is protecting this low and this high. Okay, what could be the today's thought process? Today, the flat opening case little bit difficult, but anyhow we'll just validate. If market opening flat, moving up, just mark 18,350 level, 18,350 level. Okay, 18,350 level. So any acceptance at 18,350 level, directly market will reach here. That means 18,470. 18,470 is our first target. Again, this high will be protected. If not, there will be a good up move, we can see. This is one scenario. This is one scenario on the upside. Okay, if market opening flat, coming down, next thought process is wait for the acceptance below this low. Yesterday's low, PDL. That means 18,220. 18,220. Okay, 18,220. 220 acceptance. Go for a PE. The first target 18,190. 18,190 is first target. There could be a small rejection from this region. Okay, so just wait. Any acceptance as 190. 18,140 is a second target. 130, 140, 130 is a second target. See, this 140, that means this 18,130 or 140 is main support. If market breaching this level, market directly go to the 18,050 mark. 18,050 mark, there is a no support in between. Support means there is a no demand zone. There is a no demand zone, and if breach this also, market will directly go to the 17,900 level. This is the Nifty future December downside levels. You can note it down. Okay. These are the flat opening. What could be the gap up opening? Why? Because SGX trading at 80 points up on yesterday. I don't know whether market will open today, but we can plan that also. If market opening nearby 18,350, 18,350, okay, watch the price action, acceptance on rejection this particular level. If market opening above also, above 350 or below 350, means gap up opening. In the case of gap up opening, 350 is an important level. Okay, so above 350 market opening and closing below 350, the first 15 minutes candle high is protecting, then you can plan towards this day low. Otherwise, market 350 above acceptance, go for a 470 and this high. These are the two levels on the gap up case. So what about the gap down case? Gap down case, what we can see, market where we have to open. If 18 nearby opening nearby 18,190, 180, so that could be a good gap down, means there could be a good domination on the selling side, so 190, 180 levels market is opening, the same strategy, you just work out first 15 minutes mark high and low, any continuation on downside, go for the PE towards 140, 18,050 level. If not, if first 15 minutes candle low is protecting, then go for a CE towards this 240 level. Acceptance, go for this non-migration POC. These are the four scenarios we are just getting more information. These are the four informations we are getting from market profile. These are the unique channel. No one provide you this market profile, and no one give you the day-to-day base, value based prediction. Please click the like button. Please click the bell icon also. Whenever we are uploading the videos, you will get the alert. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. That is very, very important. The learning is very, very important for share market. So plan your trade setup accordingly. Thank you. Thank you very much.